Hi, it's Angie here from Crafts at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make this snowflake separated charm bracelet. It's quite a simple design and it won't take too long, but it's very effective if using the right beads. Here's what you're going to need today. 0.38mm tiger tail. There is thicker ones to use, but this is the one that I use. It's a lot more flexible and I can use it a lot easier. You want 8mm pearls. Now I've chosen 3 colours here. You want your snowflake separator beads. Very effective on their own, even better when they're put together. If you're attaching charms on, then you want little charms and also jump rings. Then I've got a range of terminators here. I've got some culottes, a lobster clasp, a smaller jump ring, and for attaching the culottes onto the wire I'm also going to use a crimp bead. If you wanted to make it a bit shorter or adjustable, you could put an adjustable chain onto the end, but I'm going to make it just so it fits onto my wrist. This one here, I have used a lot of the clasp, but I'm going to use the lobster clasp this time. You're also going to need your side cutters, your round nose pliers, your chain nose pliers and your bent nose pliers. First of all, you want to cut a length of your tiger tail off. You want it to go around your wrist at least, and I also give about 2 to 3 inches extra just to work with. Start off by terminating one of the ends. You want to get your crimp bead and either your flat or bent nose pliers, whichever is easiest for you. You want to take it up close to the edge and squeeze on the crimp bead, and that will secure the end. Next you want to take one of your culottes, pass it through the middle, right up to the end, and then close the culotte, which will lock in the crimp bead to the end. And that is it perfectly secure. Might want to give it just an extra squeeze at the end to make sure. Now I'm going to attach my lobster clasp on now. So you just pass the culotte through the end of the lobster clasp and using your round nose pliers, turn the end over. You can get them where instead of this little hook on the end, when they close, it's just 2 complete circles. They can be more secure, but they're not as versatile as with this. I can attach the lobster clasp straight on, where with those you'd have to use jump rings. So I've got my end all ready, and I'm going to thread my beads on. I'm going to do alternative colours of the 3 browns. And then once I've got those on, I'm going to thread 5 snowflake beads on. As you see, when they lie together, they actually interlock to create a barrel. And I'm just going to carry on doing this all the way down until they're all threaded on, and I'll see you back here in a moment. Hi, as you can see, I've now loaded all of those on and it goes around my wrist quite comfortably. Next, I'm going to terminate the end off. So you want to pass a calotte through the end first. Then you want to pass another one of the crimp beads over. If you want a very tight finish, this can get a little bit tricky, and I would recommend you using your bent nose pliers, as you can get into it a little bit easier. So just as you did before, you take your crimp bead and flatten it down. I'm actually doing it within the calotte, just to try and get that really tight finish on it. Then you want to snip off the excess wire. And close down your calotte over the end. Now I'm going to pop a jump ring on the end, make sure it's closed first. And this will turn out as the terminator for the lobster clasp at the other end. Again, just curl that under. There we go. This stage, if you wanted to finish it off with the charms, just open up each of your charms, your jump rings. Pop through, over, and then put it on. The holes on these are a little bit too small to pass through those big jump rings, so I'm just going to finish it like that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, then please click like. Check out the related videos on screen, or to see my others or be notified of the latest uploads, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the link. Any questions or suggestions for further videos, then please use the comment section. Bye for now.